Good morning, everyone. Uh, I hope that whatever was the previous exercise that you have done, which was given in your homework, after that exercise, there is one more conversation uh, about the restaurants. Means here we will learn read one conversation where you will get information that how you have to react, how you can react in a restaurant in German language, right? Okay. So just I'm going to read. You will get here the page of the conversation. Herr Braun is there. Herr Braun is saying, Guten Tag, ein Tisch für vier Personen bitte. Guten Tag is a greeting. Good day. Ein Tisch. Tisch means table. Für vier Personen. Für means for. Vier means four. Personen means person. Bitte, please. Okay. Ober, O-B-E-R. Ober means waiter. So waiter is saying, ja, bitte nehmen Sie Platz. Jetzt, yes, ja means yes, bitte means please. Nehmen Sie Platz. Nehmen means to take, Sie means respected you, and Platz means place. Here is the Speisekarte. There is the menu card. Then Herr Brown is saying, Danke, thanks. Then Auber is asking, Möchten Sie jetzt bezahlen? Would you like to now order? Möchten means would you like? Jetzt means now and bezahlen means to order. Then Herr Brown is saying, Ja, zurzeit nehmen wir drei Suppen. Currently, zurzeit means first. First we will take three soups. Drei Suppen. And Daniel is saying, Aber Fati is moste cola. Daniel is the son of Mr. Brown, and Daniel is saying, But father, Aber Fati, but father is moste cola. I would like to have cola, cold drink. Then Frau Brown, Lady Brown, wife of Mr. Brown, is saying, Das geht nicht. It is not good. Du hast Houston. Houston means cuff. Already, I have mentioned there. Whatever figure you will get here, you will get the meaning as well, right? So, du hast Houston. Houston means cuff. Du darfst kein Cola trinken. Darfst means allowed, right? So, du hast kein Cola trinken. You're not allowed to drink cold drink. Then our is saying, Mosten Sie Tomatensuppen, Kartoffelsuppen oder Pilzsuppen? Would you like to take Mosten means would you like? Sie respected you. Tomatensuppen means tomato soup. Kartoffelsuppen means potato soup. Order means or and Pilzsuppen means mushroom. So would you like to take any soup from this? Then Herr Brown is saying Kartoffelsuppen bitter. Potato soup please. Vitamins please. Then over. Und zum Hauptgang. And what about the main course? What about the for lunch or dinner, whatever? Then Sandra is saying, Sandra, who is daughter of Mr. Brown, Sandra is saying, Heute habe ich Lust etwas Chinesen zu essen. Today I have interest to eat something Chinese. So heute means today, Lust means interest, etwas means something, Chinese means Chinese, zu essen means to eat. Then Daniel is saying, Ich esse nur Pizza. I'll eat only pizza. Nur means only. Then Frau Braun is saying, Und ich nehme Salad and I will take salad. Then Herr Braun, Mr. Brown, okay, dann nehmen wir Nudeln. Okay, then we are taking noodles. Ein Pizza, one pizza, mit Käse, ein Pizza with cheese. Käse means cheese, mit means with. Und Brust and sauces. Einen Salad und ich nehme Currywurst. One salad and I'm taking a currywurst, curry sauces, right? Once again. Okay, then we are taking noodles, one pizza with cheese and Brust, eine Salad und ich nehme Currywurst. One salad and I'm taking a Currywurst, curry sauces. Then Auber is saying, Trinken Sie etwas Soft oder Limonade? Would you like to drink something, some juice? Soft means juice or lemonade. Order means or. Lemonade means lemonade. Then Herr Brown is saying, Nein, danke. No, thanks. Aber vielleicht nehmen wir später Kuchen oder Torten. Aber means but. Vielleicht means perhaps. Aber vielleicht nehmen wir später Kuchen oder Torte. But perhaps we will take later. Kuchen means cake and Torte. Vielleicht means sayad, right? Aber okay. So I hope you all understand, right? Whatever vocabulary is given here, I have done already. I have mentioned the meaning in English as well. And after going this conversation, there is some exercises which I will send you in a PDF format that you have to done on a notebook. Thank you.